Hey everyone, welcome back to our Tech Tips series. If you're here, you're probably dealing with the frustrating error C660 on your iRobot Roomba 2025 model. Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through a simple, step-by-step fix that could get your robot vacuum back up and running in no time. This error typically points to issues with the cliff sensors or wheel encoders, which help your Roomba navigate safely around your home. Let's dive in and resolve this together. First things first, safety check. Make sure your Roomba is turned off and unplugged to avoid any accidents. Start by inspecting the underside of your device. Look for any debris, dust, or tangled hair around the wheels and sensors. Use a soft cloth or a brush to gently clean these areas. Trust me, a quick wipe down often solves the problem. Next, focus on the sensors. The cliff sensors are usually located near the edges of the Roomba. Grab a microfiber cloth lightly dampened with water or isopropyl alcohol and carefully clean them. Be gentle to avoid damaging the components. Once that's done, let's try a reset. Hold down the Clean button for about 10 seconds until you hear the beep, then release it. This reboots the system and can clear temporary glitches. If the error persists, check for software updates. Open the iRobot app on your phone, connect to your Roomba, and look for any available firmware updates. Installing the latest version might fix underlying bugs. Finally, if none of these steps work, it's time to contact iRobot support. They have great resources and might offer a repair option. There you have it, folks. By following these straightforward steps, you should be able to banish error C660 and get your Roomba cleaning like a pro again. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy fixes. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning.